whoever won. And of course, we're all sitting here thinking that there's nothing we can do to stop the Russians. This is what bothers me about all of this, is the Russians are portrayed as invincible and unstoppable. And whatever they seek to do, they succeed. The Democrat Party has done more to destabilize American elections than Vladimir Putin could have ever dreamed of doing. And then this Fiona Hill woman comes out today here and says that the Russians are engaged now in doing the same thing in 2020. They can't let it go. And in the process, they are trying to convince as many Americans as possible the upcoming election is already invalid. It's already hopelessly tarnished. And Kurt, this is it is outrageous what these people are doing. Ratings are plummeting. We're losing 1 million viewers a day as the hearings go on. And the polling data is not good. Trump is gaining support, particularly among Republicans, even in states like Wisconsin. I'll have the details for you as the program unfolds before your very eyes and ears. One more thing about Fiona Hill. She made 2 points today that the Russians did not pick a particular winner. They were just going to destabilize America for whoever won. And then she said that there's no basis for believing that Ukraine meddled in the 2016 presidential election. And that is itself Russian propaganda. And yet we've got these drive-by media stories detailing with Ukraine sources their attempts to destabilize the Trump campaign and how they were then having to backtrack because it didn't work. Their efforts to sabotage Trump backfired, and so now they had to do a quick 180 to get on Trump's good side since he won. But do you know something else that she did? I have here in my formerly nicotine-stained fingers a column Fiona Hill wrote in the Washington Post in 2015. Now, all of these witnesses, every damned one of these witnesses who have come forward, has said how crucially important it is to provide security assistance to Ukraine. Security assistance is military aid. That's what it means. Security assistance, according to the channels, usual channels, Ukraine must get it. They must get it. They must be able. And this woman hates Russia, and she was saying Ukraine must get this aid. Ukraine